You can use a pre-made layout from the Instant library, or build one manually using collapsible text blocks. Once the section is in place, just click on each question to edit the text, and then do the same for the answers. Some sample FAQs will include are: is the watch waterproof or water resistant? Do you ship worldwide? What's your return and exchange policy? How long does the battery typically last? What kind of warranty do you offer? And again, all you need to do is click on each block and make your changes in the editor. You can also adjust the font, spacing, and background color if you want it to feel more on-brand. Before you publish, let's quickly give your page a proper name. By default, it might just say Page 1, which isn't very helpful if you plan on making more pages in the future. To rename it, head to the top left corner of the editor and click the gear icon. In the name field, type something like Cairo Launch Page or whatever makes sense for your project. Once you've renamed it, click Publish in the top right. A pop-up will appear first. Click Enable App Embed in Shopify. A new tab will open where you'll activate the app embed. Just toggle it on, hit Save, then head back to Instant and confirm that you've enabled the embed. Once that's done, your landing page is officially published. Just click View Page at the bottom to see it live. A fully branded, custom-designed showcase for your Cairo collection. This is seriously one of the easiest and most powerful ways to build high-converting product pages on Shopify. It's flexible, fast, and it looks like a designer made it, without you having to hire one. I love using pages like this to drive ad traffic, promote special launches, or send email subscribers to a focused buying experience. It helps cut distractions and really lets your product shine. Now, if you're new to Shopify or just starting out, there's one more thing I want to cover, and that's pricing. So before we wrap up, let's quickly go over Shopify's pricing plan so you know what to expect after the trial. First, there's the basic plan, starting at $19 a month when billed yearly. It's great for solo entrepreneurs. You get 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling tools. Third-party card rates start at 2%, and you can try it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Next is the Grow plan at $49 a month. It's ideal for small teams and includes 5 extra staff accounts, the same inventory and support, and lowers your card fees to 1%. Then we have the Advanced plan, starting at $299 a month. This one's for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, local storefront support, and even lower payment fees, down to 0.6%. And finally, there's Shopify Plus at $2,300 a month, built for large, complex businesses with custom needs. No need to decide right away. You can explore all of this risk-free with a 3-month trial at ecomsensei.com/Shopify.